So friends, let's see today's lovely ghee gunpowder idlis and watch the video till the end for the idli recipe as well. So first I'm going to show you how to make this gunpowder masala at home. It's super simple. So in a pan, I'm going to dry roast 1/4 cup of sesame seeds or peel. Now we're going to roast this on a low to medium flame till the sesame seeds start to pop or splutter. Once they begin to splutter, we're just going to transfer them to a bowl. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of urad dal and we're going to dry roast this on a low to medium flame for 2 whole minutes till the dal is nice and roasted. If you roast the dals really well, then the shelf life of this gunpowder masala also too is really long. So now transfer the urad dal also to the same bowl. And now I'm going to add half a cup of chana dal. We're going to do the same thing to the chana dal. We're going to roast it on a low to medium flame for 2 minutes till the dal is nice and roasted. And again, once this is done, transfer it to the same bowl. Next, I'm going to dry roast 15 dried red chilies as well as 15 curry leaves. And we're going to roast them till these curry leaves are nice and crispy. So we're not going to use any oil in this recipe. And roast these. And now when the chilies and the curry leaves are almost done, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and turn off the flame after some time, after about 2 or 3 seconds, and let the chilies and the curry leaves cool a bit. And then you're going to transfer them to a mixer jar and you're going to grind them to a coarse powder. So it will look like this. Now to the same jar, you're going to add all the ground dals a little at a time and grind it well. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. So I'm adding the hing or the asafoetida now. Grind it once again so everything gets mixed and your gunpowder masala is ready. So you can store this in a nice, clean, dry, glass jar and use it for any recipe. So like I said, if you want to see how to make super soft idlis, watch the video till the end. So now let's begin with the star of today's recipe, which is this lovely ghee gunpowder idlis, which is super delicious. So now in a pan, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. Let the ghee melt. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. We're going to add about 5 to 6 curry leaves. And now we're going to add the idlis, so don't overcrowd the pan. And we're going to fry the idlis on both sides really well in the ghee. And now we're going to sprinkle a little of this gunpowder masala on top of the idlis. Turn them over, add a little masala on the other side and fry them well till this lovely masala coats the idlis. Oh, the aroma in my kitchen is just fabulous and I can't wait to dig into these idlis. And friends, I'm going to serve this with some fresh coconut and coriander chutney. So I'll leave a link to the recipe of my lovely chutney in the description box as well as the comment section. You have to make this chutney with this idlis. It tastes fantastic. I could have added it here, but then the video would become very long. So if you want to see my chutney recipe, I will leave it in the link description box below. And now fry these really well on a low to medium flame, turning them. And the ghee really elevates the flavor of this dish. Once this is done, transfer it onto the plate. And you can see that there's some lovely food ghee or tadka or the ghee that is there. Just pour it generously over the pan, over the idlis. That is, this is the ghee and the curry leaves that were fried along with the gunpowder masala. Whatever remains in the pan, just coat the idlis with that. And serve this really nice and hot with some lovely coconut chutney. This is one of my favorite dishes. It makes a lovely light meal or a breakfast item. And now, like I promised you, I'm going to show you how to make these super soft idlis. It's a no-fail recipe and you can make it. Even beginners can make it. So now first I'm going to add 3 vatis of rice to a bowl and 1 vati of urad dal. So whatever measurement you're using, the ratio has to be 3 of rice and 1 of urad dal. That's when you get the idlis perfect. Now this can be used as a dosa batter too. So now you're going to wash the rice and the urad dal really well under water. I like to do it thrice. And then you're going to soak it in double the quantity of water. So like 3 cups of rice will have 6 cups of water or 6 vatis of water. And the same with the urad dal. Soak them for 8 hours. Now after 8 hours, drain all the water and you're going to transfer the urad dal and grind it to a very fine paste. And then once you grind it to a paste, transfer it to a vessel. Do the same with the rice and then mix both of these really well together and then set them aside for another 8 hours. I will leave the recipe for my idlis in the description box below. And then you just grease some trays in the idli stand. See that your water is nice and boiling in your idli stand and then steam the idlis for 20 minutes. Then let the idlis, they're ready. So let them just cool down to room temperature and then demold them and your lovely super soft idlis are ready. So I leave my recipes for dosa batter and different types of dosas like Szechuan, cheese dosa and all my other lovely recipes in the description box as well as the comment section box below. So go and check out my channel. I have more than 1,000 recipes on my channel. It's Akshata's Recipes with an apostrophe S. And do leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from all of you. See you soon.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.